If you earn $100,000 a year, but still feel broke, you are not alone. Many people in the United States feel the same way in 2026. So what is the reason? Let's understand this in a simple way. On paper, $100,000 sounds like a lot of money. But you do not get to keep all of it. After taxes, you may only take home around $65,000 to $70,000. That means around $5,000 to $6,000 per month. Now let's look at your expenses. Rent can be $2,000 to $3,000. Groceries can cost $500 to $800. Health insurance may cost $400 to $600. Transportation, like car payments, gas, and insurance, can take another $500 to $1,000. Now add phone bills, internet, and utilities. Also add subscriptions, eating out, and small daily spending. If you have student loans or credit card debt, that is even more money going out. Now think about it, most of your income is already gone. This is why it feels like there is nothing left. Another big reason is inflation. Prices of everything are going up, but salaries are not increasing at the same speed, so your money is losing value. There is also something called lifestyle inflation. When you earn more money, you start spending more. You buy better things. You live in a better place. You spend more without thinking. And slowly, your expenses become equal to your income. That is why you still feel stuck. So what can you do? First, track your spending. Know where your money is going. Second, control your expenses. Do not increase your lifestyle too fast. Third, start saving and investing. Even small amounts can grow over time. In the end, it is not about how much money you make. It is about how much money you keep, and how you use it.